All right, we just took our original crescent dough and we placed them on our greased little pizza pan. We do have a little jar right here in the middle. We are next going in with our whole cranberry sauce. And we are going to be placing our cranberry sauce onto our crescent dough with our little ice cream scooper, just like so. Beautiful. This is going to be a super easy and very festive appetizer for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It's going to have all of those yummy flavors and it's going to look super cute on your holiday table. And we're going to use probably about half this can. If you wanted to make your own cranberry sauce, you could as well, but this canned stuff is just super easy for us. All right, we're going in with our double cream brie that we're gonna be placing into our crescent rolls. We're gonna cut our brie to make sure that they fit with our cranberry. I'm gonna take this out of our package. So we need 7 cuts. So we're just gonna cut it right down the middle. We're gonna make little pie shapes. Beautiful. All right, and this is gonna be a perfect size to cover our cranberry crescent rolls. Beautiful. All right, so we're going back in to our crescent rolls and our cranberry. And we're just gonna place those right into our cranberry. Perfect. I love this combination of cranberry and brie. You can also feel free to do like a feta or something else, like an artisanal cheese, but brie and cranberry is hard to beat. Beautiful. Just like so. I'm next going in with our fresh rosemary, just to add a little freshness, a little fragrance to our cranberry and brie. And I'm just gonna put a couple leaves in each one of our little rolls here. Oh, the fragrance of that just smells absolutely amazing. Beautiful. That's kind of how we want it. All right, now that we have our brie, cranberry, and rosemary, we're just gonna go right on in and we're gonna roll our crescent dough just like so. I'm just kind of tucking all of those yummy ingredients into our crescent dough, just giving them a gentle little pat for this super simple holiday appetizer. And we want to keep our bowl in there because we're gonna make a wreath shape for the holidays. Perfect. We're next gonna go in with 1 egg and I'm just gonna egg wash our little crescent rolls to give it a nice, beautiful brown color. And 1 egg will do the trick. I'm just gonna go gently over our little crescent rolls so those puff up really nicely and brown really, really nicely. Gentle little wash. I love making this appetizer with the brie and cranberry. Those flavors are just hard to beat during the holidays. All right, perfect. All right, we're gonna be putting this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. Oh my goodness, look at how cute our little brie cranberry wreath turned out. We are going to be taking this right out of the middle. All right, we're gonna take our little bowl out and oh my gosh, look at how cute our little festive wreath turned out. Super, super cute. I'm just gonna go right on in. This is kind of like a pull apart. Oh my gosh, the rosemary, the cranberry, that melty, gooey brie. We're just gonna go right on in. Oh my goodness. That rosemary, the ooey gooey cheese, really, really good.